Well, well, well. What do we have here? Looks like Jen did some shopping today, or in the past, for Black Friday. I'm gonna take a look and see what's inside. It looks like Bath and Bodyworks. Jen, thank you for shopping. Ooh, that's just receipt. Let's see what we got. Cool looking bottle. Strawberry snowflakes. I don't know. Let's take a look. Let's see what we have. Oh gosh, it's a weird smell. Let's see, what's this one? Is toasted vanilla chai. Oh, that smells good. Not gonna lie. Good one, Jen. I think that one's for me. Let's see this one. Peach Bellini. Kind of like that smell too. Let's see. Iced cinnamon roll. That smells good too. We had cinnamon rolls earlier today for breakfast. This one says bourbon. It's body wash. Sealed up. And whiskey reserve. Well, thank you, Jen, for that awesome gift or two that I get to use.